Hello everyone. Before we start this weekly analysis video, it's very important to bring your attention to something which I'm really suffering right now with. I just had an argument actually with one of the followers here on YouTube. He's saying that I have actually taken his money and invested for him and I didn't give him the profits. And after checking, this is what he sent me. I told him, show me the proof of what you are saying. Look at what he sent me. This is not us, guys. This is a scammer using our name and logo to fool the victims, to make them think this is Xtreme Trader. And actually, after some searching on Telegram, we finally found the channel that he's talking about. This is the channel that he's talking about. Of course, look at that. They are using our picture and our name. They are fooling the victims, making them think they are Xtreme Trader. But as you can see, guys, we never do this. That is a scamming. Don't send your money to someone who pretends to be Xtreme Trader and promising you to invest money in it. This is not my channel. I'm tired saying that. My God. Our real channel right here, guys. Let me just show it to you. This is our real channel here of Telegram. This is the link of our Xtreme Trader channel. We don't have 64,000 followers. We have 21,000 only. And this is the channel here, Xtreme Trader Signals. I mean, here we are only selling Forex signals. We never ask you guys to send money to invest. We never promise profits if you invest with us. And we don't even invest. We don't invest. We don't have any investment plans at all. If you look at the posts right here, it's all about Forex signals only. I mean, look at that. Even the name that he's, look at that here. This name here, Forex one, he is the contact person. So this is not Xtreme Trader, not Salah. I don't know what's wrong with this guy and any other guys for this matter. So please, guys, be careful and wise. Do not believe anyone pretending to be Xtreme Trader and asking you to send them money to invest. Again, this is not Xtreme Trader. The real Xtreme Trader is only this channel right here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and this is our logo, not the old one. Anyway, this was very important because this is getting out of control right now. I see a lot of people who actually falling to the scammers who using our name and logo. Anyway, guys, sorry for the long or the heat of the beginning, but I was really mad and needed to release and to explain something. Anyway, let's now begin with the weekly analysis, and as usual, we will start with the EURUSD. So right now, as you can see, this was my last signal of the last week on the EURUSD. Sadly, this signal did not actually reach our entry point. It hasn't been activated and just went in the right prediction as well. So what's next now with the EURUSD? First of all, delete the old signal. Now, of course, the euro is rising due, of course, to the new tension which is happening right now after United States announced that they will stop supporting Ukraine in their wars, and now Europe is actually now facing this by itself. So I mean, it's really now a lot of pressure on the euro. That's the reason, of course, the euro is rising. Sorry, guys, my English is not my native language. I just don't know how to explain it, honestly. Anyway, what's next now with the EURUSD? So, of course, the first thing we have to check, guys, right now is the weekly chart. Alright, so now weekly chart here, of course, showing a strong bullish movement, which, of course, most likely right now is gonna start the fall due to the overbought. I mean, it has been really been way overbought right now. So right now, what we can see right here, based on the weekly chart, first of all, is that the EURUSD right here actually has reached the highest level of a resistance at 1.086, which was in the past also a strong key level of a resistance as well, and a broken level of a support. Not only that, but the pair also reached Fibonacci 61.8, as you can see right here, which most likely, based on the weekly candles, remember guys, this is a weekly candle, now we can expect a bearish reversal to happen, and the market most likely will continue the fall at least towards Fibonacci 50 at least to reach the previous level of a support at 1.072 to retest that area before continue the fall or make a bullish reversal. So right now, we can expect from the market to fall to another 110 pips, which means, in my opinion, it's going to be a good idea to sell the EURUSD until it reaches that level. So therefore, let me just highlight here our take profit level, which will be exactly at 1.072. Now, let's move to the daily chart. So again, guys, we just want to confirm the direction based on weekly and then daily charts to find the direction of the market. After that, we will switch this to the smaller time frame, such as 4 hour or even 1 hour, to find our entry. So let's now continue with the daily chart to confirm the price action and the direction of the market. Now, as you can see, we need actually to squeeze the chart like this, or lowering the price scale to find the exact levels of a resistance trend lines and the support and resistance as well. What I can see right here is, of course, right here, a strong key level of a resistance trend line. Check this out. So here we had a resistance trend line number 1, number 2. Then after the bullish breakout happened, it became here a support trend line for only once, which has instantly been broken out from, and the market respected that area again as a resistance trend line, and the EURUSD is exactly right on the same level. So based on daily chart, we can again expect a bearish reversal, and the market again will continue the fall toward Fibonacci 50. So daily chart also confirms a continuation in the bearish movement. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame, and here we have got to find our entry. So even the price action right now so far looks promising. The 4-hour time frame actually indicates a continuation in the bearish fall. So again, where exactly we can sell? Just give me the answer. I will tell you. We have to go right now to the 1-hour time frame. So now what we can see here on the 1-hour time frame is, of course, the broken level of a resistance right here, and also a broken level of a support right here as well, exactly at 1.084. Now, from my point of view, the best level to start shorting the EURUSD again will be exactly at the highest level of a real resistance. Let me just highlight it, exactly like that. Fantastic, as at 0.185, which most likely will confirm that the market will actually start right now a head and shoulders pattern, which confirms the bearish fall. So in my opinion, we have to wait for the market to rise again to reach the exact same level of a resistance, which actually means we have to wait for the market to rise to another 21 pips before we can start shorting it, targeting again the previous level of a resistance right here at Fibonacci 50 at 1.072, aiming around 125 pips of profit, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging much higher than the peak of the resistance at 1.090, which will be ranging for around 47 pips only against 125 pips of profit. And that's gonna be everything for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the Pound USD. Alright, so also Pound USD, guys, has not been triggered, but at least went in the right direction and exceeds the take profit level. But again, this signal was never been activated. Now, of course, this is all from the last midweek analysis. Anyway, what's next now with the Pound USD? Now, moving again to the weekly chart. So we can see the similarity between these two pairs now, the EURUSD and the Pound USD. So again, Pound USD also confirms that based on the weekly chart, the market seems to be bearish, especially knowing that here also we are actually right now exactly at Fibonacci 61.8. So meaning based on the weekly chart, we can expect now a bearish reversal till the market reach again Fibonacci 50, which was right here also a previous level of a support. So again, guys, you can see the similarity between these two signals. So therefore, I will just not talk too much and just highlight again our take profit level to be at Fibonacci 50. And let's now move to the 4-hour time frame and get done with this one. Even 4-hour time frame not enough for me actually. I would like to move around to the 1-hour time frame, and here is difference. The difference here is we don't yet have a head and shoulders pattern at all. So what we can do right now to find the exact entry is simply apply right now the channels. So right now we can see that we had here a channel, as you can see right now, based on the current time frame that we have on the 1-hour time frame. This is, guys, 1-hour time frame. Now here we have a channel that most likely is going to be broken out from, which means the Pound USD most likely will continue the rise, or actually we are hoping for that. So then we can actually sell exactly at the edge of the resistance trend line. Then the pair will continue the fall toward our desired take profit level. So in this case, our best level to start shorting this pair will be, of course, right here at the highest level of a resistance at 1.294, and then take profit level is going to be around 160 pips of profit. And also the safe zone shouldn't also be ranging higher than, let me just now go to the daily chart, because our safe zone shouldn't actually be random. It has to be based on science, of course. Right here exactly at the peak of the previous real level of a resistance, which is going to be the maximum where we can expect the market to continue going against our direction. Now back to the 1-hour time frame. Here exactly our safe zone will be ranging for around 60 pips against 156 pips of profit. And that's gonna be everything for the Pound USD. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. Alright, so now AUDUSD sadly has failed from the last midweek analysis video. As you can see, the sell order actually was working well for only like 31 pips before sadly reversed back and hit the edge of the safe zone, and hence the signal has failed. Sorry about that, guys. Again, we are here really doing the best we can to provide you with these forex signals, but sadly nowadays the market is really not the same as before. It's just really hard to trade. Since Mr. Trump came to the White House, I just really find hard time analyzing the market. Anyway, I'm not blaming anyone, I'm just blaming myself. Maybe the analysis was not correct. Anyway, what's next now with the AUDUSD? Let's now again move to the weekly chart. So right now what we can see here on the weekly chart is actually a broken level of a support trend line right here. And as we can see, the market, my friends, has just actually, like 2 weeks ago, has retested the same level of a broken support trend line right here and became also a resistance trend line. Now, with the current price action, which we can see right now based on the weekly chart, shows that the market actually rose all the way right here to reach the highest level of a real resistance at 0.635 and then lost its strength, or lost its power, if you can say so, and dropped to another 60 pips. Now, the current price action here shows a strong bearish movement happening on the AUDUSD, and saying that we can actually consider selling this pair. Let's now move to the daily chart. Now here daily chart also shows me something very similar to what we are planning to do with the pound USD. So right here we can see clearly that we had also a real level of a resistance trend line, as we can see right here, and the market has already here created a fake breakout from that area, and then the same level of a real resistance trend line has indeed been respected, which confirms that the AUDUSD most likely will continue to fall, especially knowing here, guys, based on daily chart, the current price action that we have. This price action right here is actually promising for the continuation in the bearish momentum. Not only that, but even this candle right here, if you guys see this candle appeared on a resistance level, it's actually a good sign that the market right now is getting ready for the bearish fall. If it actually has a longer tail and a short wick at the top, it indicates inverted hammer, and that is actually a good price action, indicates a continuation in the fall and the bearish momentum, or the reversal, the bearish reversal, sorry. So now the question is, where exactly is the best level to start shorting? Now, since we are talking about a downtrend, we have to consider, of course, the real level of a resistance trend lines and the current downtrend that we have. And here we have, of course, a resistance trend line number 1, number 2, number 3. And even here on the left side, we can see clearly that we had also a broken level of a resistance right here exactly. So that means that we can actually expect to sell the pair exactly right here after it rises to another 27 pips. That's gonna be, my friends, the best level to start shorting the AUDUSD again at the same level of a real resistance, targeting, of course, the nearest level of a key support trend line, which lies exactly right here at 0.614, aiming around, oh, that's gonna be a lot, sorry, I'm on daily chart, sorry, that is daily chart, I forgot I'm on daily chart. So yeah, the nearest level of a key support is going to be right here exactly at the nearest level of a support to the entry, aiming around 125 pips of profit, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance right here at 0.638, ranging for around 50 pips exactly against 125 pips of profit. And there goes our signal for the AUDUSD. Let's now move to the USDCAD. Alright, so again, unfortunately, USDCAD from the last midweek analysis video didn't go so well. I mean, I'm not sure, to be honest, guys. I think it has been activated right here, or maybe not. I'm honestly not sure. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, overall, the signal just didn't go as planned, but luckily also the safe zone was ranging for 52 pips only. So now, what's next with this pair? Let me just now delete the old signal, and let's now again go to the weekly chart. So again, weekly chart here shows that the market last week has already retested the broken level of a support right here exactly at 1.427. And as you can see, the retest has already happened. Now also, the current price action that we have over the last month shows a continuation in the bullish momentum. And even right here, if we look at the current pattern, we can notice that the USDCAD is actually right now on a very strong bullish movement. If I even scroll to the left side, which I cannot, I don't know why. Anyway, yeah, this is weekly chart again, sorry. So right now we can see, based on the weekly chart, we are actually facing here a strong key level of a support trend line. Now, of course, we have to move right now to the daily chart to show it to you. Right here again, check this out. So right here we can see clearly the strength of this support trend line, and last Friday and Thursday the USDCAD has already retested that area and right now reversing. Now the current price action here for the USDCAD is similar to what I just told you about the AUDUSD. So again, on a support zone, we have this candle with tiny tail and longer wick at the top. Now this is of course indicates also a continuation in the bullish reversal. So right now we can expect to start buying the USDCAD for the upcoming week. So again, weekly and daily chart confirms that the market seems to be bullish. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Alright, so now based on the 4-hour time frame, I would recommend actually to buy the USDCAD exactly right here at the nearest level of a key support lies right here exactly at 1.432. Why? Because based on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this was a real level of a support, and here, my friends, we have one tiny small fake breakout from that area and a real level of a support as well. To see it clearly, let's move to the 1-hour time frame. Exactly, check this out. So here the 1-hour time frame shows me, of course, the real levels of a support, which lies right here and right here and right here as well, ignoring the fake breakout right here and another fake breakout right here, and then we have a real level of a support. Now pay attention, the candles has actually already respected this area. So here we have already a support, a real level of a support has been respected. So this is support number 1, and we will just wait for the market to fall upon the pressure of the current resistance, to fall back all the way right here to create a second attempt of a support, and afterward, hopefully, the USDCAD will continue the rise. We have to wait for the market to fall to another 42 pips only. Targeting, of course, the highest level of a resistance lies at 1.442, expecting around 100 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging for lower than the previous level of a key support right here at 1.429, which will be ranging for around 35 pips only against 100 pips of profit. And there goes our new signal for the USDCAD. Let's now move to the USDJPY. USDJPY, guys, was the bigger winner of the last week. Again, the signal has been activated right here exactly at 149.911. And check this out. How many pips we have made with the USDJPY? Actually, a lot. We have made over 190 pips of profit. So meaning the losses from the AUDUSD and the USDCAD has also been recovered. So again, we are again, guys, doing the best we can to provide you with the best signals, but of course we cannot just get them all correctly. Anyway, now what's next with the USDJPY? First of all, I believe that the USDJPY will actually continue the rise. Now, based on the weekly chart, as we can see, the market, my friends, has indeed respected our previous buy area at the at the support right here exactly at 146. So meaning the market right now is actually rising upon the reaction of this level of a support and a broken level of a resistance. So based on the weekly chart, we're expecting right now a new blue candle to reach at least the half of this bearish breakout candle, which means the new candle might actually rise to another 150 pips. Now, let's move to the daily chart. Now here daily chart of course shows that the market actually has closed as a pin bar. Again, another good price action indicates a continuation in the bullish reversal. So daily and weekly chart confirms the market will continue the rise. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now again here 4-hour time frame, it doesn't really give me much of information. I would like to move to but before that, we have here of course again the inverted hammer, which I talked about in the last two pairs. Another price action indicates a bullish reversal, and we have here of course a short tail and a longer wick at the top, indicates that the market is getting ready for the bullish reversal. That is actually one of the most trusted price actions in my opinion. Let's now move to the 1-hour time frame. Here now with the 1-hour time frame shows me that we have here of course a clear level of a strong key level of a support, and actually I would like to buy the USDJPY once it fall back again to reach the exact same level of that support, and here we can place a buy order, especially knowing that the market here is actually going to be retesting the broken level of resistance at 147. So meaning we will actually buy this pair exactly right here at 147.423, and I would like actually to check the Fibonacci retracement. I believe this is above 61.8. almost. It's actually between 50 and 61.8. So meaning, in my opinion, that's a good zone to start buying the USDJPY. And as we said earlier, we will continue the buy till the market reach the highest level of a real resistance at 149.149 as well, targeting around 143 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support at 147.111, ranging for around 60 pips only against 142 pips of profit. And by that, my friends, we are actually done for this weekly analysis, because USDCHF, as you can see, the last signal from the last midweek analysis hasn't been triggered, but the USDCHF went as predicted. Now, the only issue here, guys, is, to be honest with you and to be fair with everyone here on my channel, I'm not sure how this pair is gonna move right now. We are actually expecting here a bullish reversal upon the pressure of the support, but my problem here is that the USDCHF seems to be strong bearish movement right now. I mean, the momentum seems to be bearish, and the market right now seems, actually, to be honest, it's just somehow confusing to me. I cannot send random signals for the safety of my followers' investment, so therefore I will just wait and not rush. Maybe we will release the next USDCHF signal on the next midweek analysis video. So again, the reason is that the market right now, guys, is, as you can see right now here, we have a strong key level of a support, and the USDCHF right now is actually ranging right on the same area. So I'm not really sure what's going to happen. The price action promising for the bearish fall, the support and resistance, support that the market will continue the fall, but the support right here confirms that the market will rise. So to be honest, I'm not so sure at all how the USDCHF will move next. So therefore, let's wait for this pair to make the next movement, and based on it, we will send our next signal. So by that, guys, we are done. And again, my friends, do not forget, please, to join our free channel of Telegram, and the only real channel on Telegram that we have. Please make sure that this is the only real channel of Xtreme Trader. This is my last warning for everyone here. If anyone complains later that they have fallen to the scammers and they have sent them funds to trade, that is completely their mistake, and it's up to them. I did my best here warning everyone to be aware of the scammers. We did a lot of posts on Telegram warning people from the scammers. So if they fall for them, that's completely their mistake. Again, this is our Xtreme Trader signals. This is our only Telegram channel and the real Xtreme Trader channel on Telegram. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.